tips. Here are some of my favorites in 60 seconds. First of all, have the end result in mind. There's no point in launching a Facebook marketing campaign if you're just like, hey, let's just get more people to see my business. If you build it, they will not come just because you built it. You need to get out there and have a plan for what your Facebook ads are supposed to do for you. That being said, there's almost nothing more powerful than Facebook and social media ads for getting people to do what you want to do. Why? Targeting. Starting off with great targeting to your cold audience will make your campaign a success, and then refining your targeting as people start to do the things you want them to do with retargeting campaigns and more custom audiences from your email list and phone numbers offers you a power to build a relationship with someone you've never even met in ways that no other advertising can. My other tip, get your pixel going as fast as possible. That's going to make all of that more powerful. Number 3, make sure that when you're advertising on Facebook, you're testing all the time. Put more money behind what's working, kill the stuff that isn't working, and don't be afraid to run a lot of campaigns in the beginning, and don't be afraid to kill a campaign that doesn't work just because you're attached to it personally. You're not always going to be right. And that's it. Time's up. Hope you got the idea.